Audio Jungle.
Logo change. 1. Go to the Edit Comp folder. 2. Go to the Composition logo. 3. Drag image or import. 4. Adjust the size and position. Text change. 1. Go to the Edit Comp folder. 2. Go to the text composition. 3. Double-click the text. 4. Write your text. 5. Adjust the size and position. Controls. 1. Go to the Edit Main folder. 2. Go to Controls Logo Composition. 3. Click on the Controls logo layer. 4. Go to the Effects control panel. 5. Change the colors as you wish. You can also turn off the background and put your image or video under all layers. Render composition. 1. Go to Main Full HD or Main 4K composition. 2. Go to Top Menu Composition. 3. Add to Render Queue. 4. Click Render.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.